Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Emil, City Wizard. Today we are going to look at folders, and we're going to learn about folders and how to manage files in the folder. So in today's lesson, we're going to learn how to create folders and you see how folders look like. First of all, we should know what a folder is. Then we can know how to create one. If you know what a folder is, then you can know how to create one. You know the use of a folder when it comes to ICT. All who are ICT literate, you know what a folder means. Those who deal with the designing, you know how it's good to manage files in a special place. To those who are starting to learn computer, don't worry, you've got covered, because whatever you're going to learn is just simple. Just simple. I'll try to summarize for you since you have no idea about ICT. And by the end of all my lessons, you become computer literate. That's why I created this channel for you. It's called Step by Step to ICT Literacy. So what I'll ask you is, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell button. Share the video, comment, like, but please subscribe, share the channel, subscribe on my YouTube channel. To receive more of these videos, educative and interactive. Welcome. Let's get started. Here we have our desktop. We have our desktop, as you can see. We have what you call interfaces. We are now in what you call graphical user interface, that is UI, GUI, whereby we can see all the icons and the mouse, how everything goes on the screen within the computer. But before that, we have what you call CMD, command line interface, CLI. In that interface, we can see the mouse, we can see the icons, we can see pictures, but we deal with only commands. So here we have our graphical user interface, whereby we are going to learn how to create folders. This is the current interface that we have now, where everyone can learn. So here we have some of the icons. You know what icons are. If you don't know the icons, what icons are, tune in the next video. I'll make a video about icons, and you learn what icons are. So here, the one is moving on the desk down there. It is called the mouse pointer. So you move your mouse pointer and click in any empty space. The way you are seeing, this is an empty space, and it's called the desktop, computer desktop. So we shall move it and place it there on your mouse. On your mouse, you have what you call the buttons. Those buttons, there are two buttons. There is one for left, there is one for right. So we shall click the one for the right button, the right hand, the button that is on your right hand is what you call the right button. So you right click, you press, if I say click, you press once, and then it will give you those information, the drop down down details. Then you shall move our mouse pointer to where? To new. After you click new, point to new, it will send you to another section which will have more information like folder and other shortcuts icons. So we shall click on folder. So now you press the left button to click on that item. So when you click on it, it will create a new folder. So when it creates a new folder, it will ask you to have a folder name. So we type a folder name. Everyone in this world has a name. Even folders, you have to give it a name whereby you'll be able to identify that folder with. So I'll give my folder the name. I will use mine as for that one. So you can give it your own name. Then maybe I'll add 2022. That's my folder name. After that, you press enter key to activate the folder name. Activate the folder name. So you press the enter key on your keyboard like that. So you have now just created a folder which is called that one. So when you create this folder here, it will help you to manage, to organize your files, either music, videos, pictures, any other files, another document that you would like to have it there in that folder, rather than having your files being scattered on the desktop as if you are somewhere, I don't know, but you make sure you create your folder whereby you manage all your files. Okay, hope you have learned something today. So how do you open this folder? You can either double click. What do I mean by double clicking? You point on the folder and then you right click, you left click twice, but at a terrible speed, like that. A folder will be open. So that is my folder. It is open. So you can see it saying the folder is empty. It has nothing. It's like having a bag, and the bag has no books, the bag has no pens, the bag is empty. So even our folder here is empty. It's like having a suitcase, having it's no sugar, no what, no clothes. It is empty. So even my folder is empty. So we shall just close it. So this is when you open, it will look like this. So we shall click on X to close. Okay, so we click on this to restore, we click on this to minimize. So we shall click on this option to close, like that. So I have a folder now here. Okay, thank you for watching and keep on practicing how to create folders. You'll be good students, you'll be learning, it will stick in your mind, you will not forget again. Keep on practicing. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.